Hi, I'm Ashna Philip. I'm a recent OET winner from KIT International. I cleared OET on my first attempt with UK score. In my opinion, the best thing about KIT International is the constant guidance from teachers and daily practice sessions in all modules. I also received individual corrections for speaking and writing. It helped me a lot to improve my language and to face the exam with confidence. KIT International is the best coaching center for everyone who want to crack OET. Moreover, I sincerely thank God, teachers at KIT International, and my parents for making my dream come true.
Hi all, my name is Reshma and I was a student of KIT International Coaching Center, Kottayam. And I cleared Ielts examination with an overall band of 7 last February 2022, and I am extremely happy with my scores because I was not getting enough time for studying or preparing for Ielts examination because I was working too. I only got 2 to 3 hours per day. At the same time, the staff sir gave me this amazing support and individual attention, and that helped me to achieve my goals. And thank you so much for KIT team for that. I must say KIT is one of the best Ielts coaching centers in Kerala, and I am extremely happy with their teaching patterns and all. They do have these amazing patterns for teaching us speaking, writing, reading and listening, and it helped me a lot. Even though there are so many students in the same class, we will get this individual support, and I must say about their staff, they are highly supportive, friendly and well experienced and well profiled persons, and they will give us individual attention, and that's the best thing about KIT. And I recommend KIT for every one of you guys.
ഹായ്, എൻ്റെ പേര് മേഘ. ഞാൻ എൻ്റെ ഐൽസ് കോച്ചിങ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത് കിറ്റ് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണലായിരുന്നു. അവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റാഫ്സ് വളരെയധികം സപ്പോർട്ടീവ് ആയിരുന്നു. എല്ലാ ദിവസവും നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് 4 മോഡ്യൂൾസ് ചെയ്യിപ്പിക്കുമായിരുന്നു. ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ സ്പീക്കിംഗ് സെഷൻസിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ റൈറ്റിംഗ് സെഷൻസിൽ ലിമിറ്റഡ് ടൈമിൽ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി എങ്ങനെ അത് ആൻസർ ചെയ്യണമെന്നുള്ള പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് ആസ് വെൽ ആസ് ഗൈഡൻസ് നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുമായിരുന്നു. നമ്മുടെ വീക്ക് പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് മനസ്സിലാക്കി അതിൽ ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്യുകയും നമ്മുടെ കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ബൂസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മളെ കൊണ്ട് ബെസ്റ്റായിട്ട് പെർഫോം ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട് അവിടുത്തെ സ്റ്റാഫ്സ് എല്ലാവരും ഒരുപാട് നമ്മളെ ഹെൽപ്പ് ആസ് വെൽ ആസ് നമ്മളെ ട്രെയിൻ ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു. ബിക്കോസ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് എനിക്കും നല്ല റിസൾട്ടാണ് കിട്ടിയത്. താങ്ക് യു കിറ്റ് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ.
Hi, hello. My name is Meera Joy. I'm one of the OET students of KITS International Academy, and I cleared OET exam conducted on 22nd January 2022. I'm really thankful to the KITS team because the teachers here helped me a lot, and they are really encouraging. During the initial time of preparation, I was really nervous because the speaking and reading module is quite difficult for me, but the teachers provided me lots of technical support. That's the reason behind this victory. And the method of teaching followed in this institution is really appreciable. They provide individual attention to each student according to their weakness and strength. And we can contact them at any time and clear our doubts. So I can say that this is a golden opportunity for every student who is preparing for OET. And once again, I thank you to the KITS team.
Hello everyone, my name is Milan. I was a student at KIT International Kottayam. I have achieved UK scores in OET examination at my first attempt, and I'm so happy and I'm really thankful to all my faculty there. They have guided me very well. They were really supportive and encouraging. The mothers they taught were really helpful in achieving this goal. So I would like to suggest KIT International for all OET and IELTS aspirants. Thank you.
Hi all, I'm Sneha. Recently I cleared OET on my very first attempt, and I must say I was a student at KIT International Kottayam. The much experienced staff from KIT played a crucial role behind my success. They helped me throughout the whole process, and they provided the necessary assistance and guidance whenever I required. So it would be better to choose KIT International as a stepping stone of your journey towards your dream nation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Donna Jaman. I'm from Kottayam. I'm a nurse and my biggest dream is to work in UK as a registered nurse. For that, the required score in OET is 3B and a C+. It was the teachers in KIT International who helped me achieve my goal in the first attempt itself. Something I find really interesting is that they always make sure to provide sections for all the 4 modules each day. Apart from this, they also have individual writing correction sessions and speaking sections too. So, if you want the required score in OET, I would suggest you to join KIT International. Thank you.